Imagine merging the exhilaration of open-top driving with cutting-edge hybrid performance. Meet the 2025 McLaren Artura Spider, a supercar that redefines boundaries. Today, we'll delve into how McLaren has seamlessly blended electrifying speed with sustainable innovation in this remarkable convertible. McLaren's legacy of engineering excellence has consistently pushed the envelope in automotive design. The Artura Spider continues this tradition, introducing a high-performance hybrid powertrain that doesn't compromise on the brand's hallmark agility and driving pleasure. This model signifies McLaren's commitment to a future where sustainability meets uncompromised performance. At first glance, the Artura Spider captivates with its sleek aerodynamic silhouette. The retractable hardtop roof, crafted from a single carbon composite panel, operates in near silence, fully retracting in just 11 seconds at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. This design not only enhances the vehicle's aesthetic appeal, but also maintains its structural rigidity, ensuring a driving experience that's both exhilarating and secure. The glazed polycarbonate rear buttresses are both lightweight and functional, aiding in airflow management and providing exceptional rear visibility. Front fender louvers release air from the wheel arches, reducing pressure and enhancing aerodynamic efficiency. These design elements collectively contribute to the Artura Spider's dynamic presence and performance. Under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, paired with an axial flux electric motor, delivering a combined output of 690 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. This hybrid setup propels the Artura Spider from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.0 seconds, matching the coupe's performance. The top speed is an impressive 205 miles per hour, offering a thrilling experience for any driving enthusiast. The 7.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery provides up to 21 miles of electric-only range, ideal for urban commutes or quiet neighborhood drives. This blend of internal combustion and electric power ensures both exhilarating acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, reflecting McLaren's innovative approach to hybrid technology. Inside, the Artura Spider offers a driver-centric cockpit adorned with high-quality materials. The optional electrochromic glass roof panel allows occupants to adjust the amount of light entering the cabin, enhancing comfort during various driving conditions. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. The Bowers & Wilkins audio system, featuring 12 speakers and a powerful amplifier, delivers an immersive sound experience. Ambient lighting with 12 color options allows drivers to personalize the cabin atmosphere, while the McLaren Club Sport seats provide exceptional support during spirited drives. The Artura Spider's hybrid powertrain isn't just about performance, it also offers practical benefits. The electric motor enables near-silent, emission-free driving in urban environments, while the gasoline engine ensures long-distance capability. The retractable hardtop doesn't compromise trunk space, providing 5.7 cubic feet of cargo capacity, sufficient for weekend getaways or daily errands. McLaren has equipped the Artura Spider with advanced driver assistance systems, including blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic detection, enhancing safety during daily driving. The vehicle's carbon fiber monocoque structure provides exceptional rigidity and crash protection, underscoring McLaren's commitment to occupant safety. The Artura Spider represents McLaren's dedication to sustainability, combining high performance with reduced emissions. The hybrid powertrain allows for lower fuel consumption, and the ability to drive in electric-only mode contributes to a decrease in overall environmental impact. Priced starting at approximately $273,800, the Artura Spider positions itself competitively among hybrid supercars. Its direct competitors include models like the Ferrari 2, 9, 6 GTS, and the Maserati MC 20 Cielo. While these rivals offer impressive performance, the Artura Spider distinguishes itself with its unique blend of hybrid efficiency, McLaren's signature handling characteristics, and a slightly more accessible price point. The 2025 McLaren Artura Spider seamlessly integrates hybrid technology with supercar performance, offering an exhilarating yet responsible driving experience. Its combination of cutting-edge design, Advanced engineering and everyday practicality makes it a standout in the hybrid supercar segment. If you're excited about the future of high-performance hybrids, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Share your thoughts on the Artura Spider in the comments below. Would you take this hybrid supercar for a spin?